everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I just wanted to give you another take on day 36's pocket. I love to do the wraparound where the flap actually is the wraparound with the pocket, but today I was watching Jovi and I thought, oh man, I didn't even follow the directions, my own directions. So what we're going to do is we're going to slit this side and pull the pocket, the envelope around the page, but I'm also going to remove the flap. So I just want you to know there's many ways to interpret these pockets, and they are all very fun. All right, so this is my page from my Autumn Whispers kit, and I picked this one so the pumpkins would show through this window. So you can see them right there. Isn't that cool? And then we can put some words here. So you just slide your pocket over your page, whatever your page is, and then you're going to cut right where your page ends. So I'm going to cut that. So now I have basically a slide in or a wrap of my envelope to go around my page. And all I'm going to do is add some color to this and then put the word on here that I want to shine through, or my phrase. And then on the back, I can also, you know, cover that as well on the back of the page. All right, here we go, pocket. I'm going to wrap this around the bottom of the page. And then we'll glue it into place here on this side. And then we'll glue it on the back side. And then I only want to point out that not only do we have a pocket on this side that we can see through and put our little tags in, but we have a pocket on this side as well. So hope you like that. It's just a different take and actually following directions.